What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Pocophone F1, and I wanted to talk about the new feature 960 frames per second on your camera on your Pocophone. Now that comes with the newest update on the MIUI 10, and I believe that is the MIUI 10 10.2.2.0. If you see here, you get that update, and if you hit up here and see what's new, one of the features is 960 frames per second. Now, if you go into your camera, now, personally, I think the 960 frames per second is a little hokey because it's only 10 seconds and it's barely like 5 seconds of slow-mo. So if you go into your camera here and you pick slow-mo here on the bottom, and then you'll see a setting there for 960 frames per second. You could also do 120 if you select it, and you could also do 240 if you select it. I personally think that 240 is the best video slow-mo on this phone at the moment. You'll see I'm gonna put up some samples here of my dog, some water, all kinds of cool stuff that you'll be able to see slow-mo video on the Pocophone F1. Now, it's kind of hard to capture it in such a short duration, so it's kind of tricky. So I don't know how practical this will be on everyday uses, with your kids, with certain things that you want to do slow-mo video of. But it's kind of cool to show off your Pocophone. At least we have the feature, but I personally think that 240 frames per second is the best one at the moment as far as slow-mo on the Pocophone, if you ask me. But hey, it's a cool feature. At least we have it. At least we can play around with something that maybe some other phones don't have. So you got to take it from there. But check out the video, enjoy it. I'm going to do 960 frames per second. You guys let me know what you like best. And if you're enjoying this new feature on the Pocophone, let me know and enjoy. Until the next one, peace.